What's up, guys? It is Alex, also known as WWE Rocks 2423, and I am back with another YouTube video. So, literally, this July through August 1st has been like Christmas, because first off, I get this, right? 2 days ago, got this huge bread that wasn't supposed to come till tomorrow. And this wasn't supposed to come till today. This was supposed to come today, but it came early. And then we got another thing in the mail right here. And so yeah, let's open that up and see. Yes! Oh my gosh. Alright, sorry about that. So the girls were just outside doing something, so I gotta go to a different location. So go like this video right now, because I am standing in rocks, because there's like nowhere else to stand. But oh my lord, I just got my Alpaca Squishy. So let's take it out of the books. I actually just made a squishy out of my foam. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Oh my gosh, and it feels so good, like it's bumpy and smooth. So it's blue at the top with a little purple flower with the yellow inside, and then it's doing like a winky face. There's my thumbnail. Okay, so, and then it's got the yellow down here, a yellow tail, a pinkish purple around there, and then a purple down there. And watch this. It's fast! Yes! It's fast! So these are the 3 squishies that I've gotten so far. I just got something in my mouth. Ugh. So yeah, leave me a comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite out of these 3 so far. And yeah, this was kind of a quick video, but there it is again. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!